Hello, welcome to my new video. I'm Striker Disco, your English teacher. I'm joyful to be here with you in this lesson. In this lesson, I am going to help you pronounce the 7 days of the week. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Salut tout le monde. Bienvenue dans la vidéo ça. Nous pas M. Striker, professeur Paula. Moi très content là avec vous dans la vidéo ça. M'bra aider vous prononcer 7 jours qui gagnent dans semaine là. Okay? I am coming back. Okay, now are we ready to pronounce correctly the 7 days of the week? Est-ce qu'on pourrait répéter 7 jours qui gagnent dans semaine là? Okay, now let's get the ball rolling. Okay, as you can notice on the board, the 7 days of the week. The 7 days of the week. 7 jours qui gagnent dans semaine là. In this lesson, you're gonna learn the correct pronunciation of these days. Okay. Now the first day is Sunday. Sunday. Or today is Sunday. Let's go to the church. Because today is Sunday. Comment on dit ou capable prononcer premier jour? The correct pronunciation of the first day of the week is Sunday. Sunday. Okay. For the third is Monday. Monday. It is pronounced Monday. It's not Monday. It's not Monday. I really some people says Monday. No, it's not Monday. It's Monday. Monday. For the third is Tuesday. Tuesday. As you can notice, the S has a Z sound. Yes, this S has a Z sound. S again, son Z. It is pronounced as Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay? For the fourth ou quatrième jour is Wednesday. Wednesday. The D is a silent letter. This A c'est une lettre qui n'est pas prononcée. And this S has a Z sound also. It is pronounced as Wednesday. It's not Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Wednesday. As you can notice, the third and the fourth day has a Z sound in the S. This S has a Z sound and this S also has a Z sound. For the third is Tuesday and for the fourth is Wednesday. Okay, now pour cinquième jour, as you can notice the 3H sound, it is pronounced like that. Thursday. Thursday. Put your tongue between your teeth. It is Thursday. 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 Pour sixième, c'est Friday. 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 Then the last day of the week is Saturday. 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 As you can notice, the first letter of this day is capitalized. It means you must capitalize the first letter of a day. Never write a day with a lowercase letter. Ça veut dire toujours écrit premier lettre qui nan jour avec lettre majuscule. Pas jamais écrit yon jour avec lettre minuscule. Never. Write or day with the capitalized letter. Okay, now let's make a review for you. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay guys, now I have a question for you now. What is the question? The question is, what's your favorite day? What's your favorite day? Or you can say, what is your favorite day? Me, I prefer we say, what's your favorite day? Put it in the comment below. Tell me what is your favorite day. Dis-moi dans commentaire qui joue plus que dans semaine. But me, I like Sunday because on Sunday I feel good when I glory the name of the Lord. Answer is my. You respond like that. What we going to say? My favorite day is Sunday. My favorite day is Sunday. You have to know that we use on in front of the whole day. We utilize preposition on. It's not on. We use on in front of the whole day. We utilize preposition on devant jour qui gagne dans semaine là. For example, I go to school on Monday to Friday. I go to school on. I already said to you, put on in front of this day. Mettez préposition on devant tout jour. I say, I gave you an example and I say, I go to school on Monday to Friday. Ok, vidéo a fini, oui? Oubliez ou pas like et abonner avec la chaîne là. Yes, do it. Like and subscribe to the channel. Memorize this lesson. I love you and I